I love you just the way God made you, girl, he don't make mistakes. What you call your imperfections, I call beautiful, babe. So let my eyes be your mirror, and you're bound to see it too. 'Cause I was made for loving just the way God made you. 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 Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song by Blanco Brown and Parmalee that's called Just the Way. Alright, so thanks so much for everyone for watching, for the previous videos you've watched, for hitting like and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, I'd ask you to please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials, okay? Alright, enough of that self-promotional stuff. Let's just get into it. Standard tuning, no capo, baby. Love all that stuff. So, the only chords you're gonna need for this song, you're gonna do A, you're gonna do E, you're gonna do F sharp minor, which is just you're just barring a power chord on the 4th fret, okay, on the E, A, and D strings, okay. So like that. All right, F sharp minor and D. Okay. So when you play this song, the intro is I love you just. Okay, so you're gonna do A on just. I love you just the way God. God is E. You're just doing single strums on the intro. I love you just the way God made you, girl. He don't. Don't is F sharp minor. Don't make mistakes. Mistakes is D. Okay. Mistakes. What you call is A. Call your imperfections, I call beautiful. So imperfections is E, and then I call beautiful. Beautiful is F sharp minor. Beautiful babe. Babe is D. Okay, and then it's just nothing, no chords. Tell him blanc, and then he goes into it. Okay, so then you're gonna palm mute it. Okay, so then you're gonna do E, F sharp minor, D. Okay, so you're gonna do the way your hair's in a mess. So you do E's on hairs. Hair's in a mess in the morning. Morning is F sharp minor. Morning when you open your eyes. Okay, eyes is D. So morning is F sharp minor. Eyes is D. Eyes. The way an hour. Okay, so then you do D until you get to hour. Hour is E. Hour goes by when you say. Okay, when you say is F sharp minor. Say that you'll be ready in 5. 5 is D, okay? 5. The little dimple, dimple is E, dimple on the side of your smile. Smile when you're laughing at a movie, okay? Movie is D. Movie that you've seen about 1,000 times, okay? Then you're gonna go to you know, girl, you know. So you do E is on you, you know, girl. Girl is F sharp minor. Girl that I can't lie. Lie is D, okay? And you can just like let the last one ring out on lie, okay? And then you're gonna go to the chorus, and the chorus is gonna be A, E, F sharp minor, D. You're gonna do that twice, okay? So then you're gonna do it again. A, E, F sharp minor, D. Okay, then you're gonna skip A and you're gonna go to E, F sharp minor, D, and then you go back and do it the way you did before. Then you're gonna go A, E, F sharp minor, D. So I'm gonna walk you through where you do all the lyrics for this and then the strumming pattern. Okay, I love you just. Okay, A is on just the way God made you. And you could play it like this. This is not the way I would play it for the song, but you could if you wanted. I love you just as A. Just the way God is E. Made you, girl, he don't. Don't is F sharp minor. Don't make mistakes. Mistakes is D. What you call is A. Call your imperfections. Imperfections is E. Imperfections I call beautiful. Beautiful is F sharp minor. Beautiful babe. Babe is D. So let my eyes is E. Eyes be your mirror. Mirror is F sharp minor. Mirror, and you're bound is D. Bound to see it too. 'Cause I was made is A. Made for loving just as E. Just the way God is F sharp minor. God made you. Okay, and then you're going to just kind of play it over again. You're going to do A, E, F sharp minor, D, A, E, F sharp minor, D, because you're God made you, God made you. So you can play it like that. Girl, I was made for loving just the way God made you. I don't think it'll sound near as good. It might do that if you want to do that for like the last chorus maybe, or like the second one or something when you're slowing it down. But for the most part, it's actually played like this. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, I'm gonna play it fast and slow. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So then you go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. If you have a hard time with that, just notice I'm doing down, down, up, so down, and then you wait a little bit, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, I hope that helps you guys. So that's how you play it, and then when you get to the second verse, again, you can either do the you can either open it or do it open, or you can just do the palm mute. Okay, either one of those is fine. Okay, then when you get to the next chorus, you'll play it the same. Then when you get to the bridge, you're just going to do single strums. Okay, girl is E, girl I ain't ever, okay, ever gonna, and that's F sharp minor, ever gonna try to change ya. Change is D. Change ya. My, okay, my masterpiece. My is E, my masterpiece. At the end of piece, okay, you're gonna do F sharp minor. Piece my Mona Lisa, and I need ya. Okay, need is where you do D. And I need ya to stay just, okay, just is A, just the way God is E, God made you, made ya, okay, ya is D, ya, and then you're gonna go, and then there's like the part where there's no chords, it's just the way, just the way, just the way, just the way God made you, okay, and then you're gonna do just on is E, just the way God is F sharp minor, God made ya. Okay, made ya is where you're gonna do D. Made ya. And then you're gonna go to the last chorus. 'Cause I love you just the way God made you, girl. You don't make mistakes. Okay, so you could play it. That's where if you're gonna play it like so down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. You could play that for like the beginning of that chorus, and then as the song goes on, you could do it faster. Okay, that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments. If you have other songs you'd like me to teach next, please let me know in the comment section. And it's been a lot of fun. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.